crafting a miniature DIY fire pit for backyard gatherings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing how to craft a miniature DIY fire pit for backyard gatherings. Ever dreamt of cozy evenings around a crackling fire but lack the space for a full-sized pit? Well, dream no more. We're diving into a super fun DIY project, building your own miniature fire pit, perfect for intimate backyard gatherings or even just a relaxing solo night. Get ready to unleash your inner artisan. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a small heat-resistant container. Think a terracotta pot or a metal bowl. Grab some decorative rocks or gravel, sand and gel fuel or isopropyl alcohol for the flame. Safety first, so have a fire extinguisher or water nearby. Don't forget some decorative elements to personalize your pit. Think smooth river stones, colorful glass beads, or even small metal figurines. This is where your creativity shines, so let your imagination run wild. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by lining the bottom of your container with a layer of sand. This will help insulate the container from the heat and prevent cracking. Next, arrange your decorative rocks or gravel around the inside of the container. Leave a small well in the center for your fuel. This creates a visually appealing and functional base for your miniature fire pit. Carefully pour your gel fuel or isopropyl alcohol into the well you created. Be cautious not to overfill it. Remember, safety is paramount. Now, add your final decorative touches. Arrange your river stones, glass beads, or figurines around the fuel well. This is your chance to truly personalize your fire pit and make it a unique centerpiece. Time to light it up. Using a long lighter or match, carefully ignite the fuel in the well. Stand back and watch as the flames dance and flicker, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Enjoy the cozy atmosphere and the mesmerizing flames of your miniature fire pit. Remember to always supervise the fire and keep it away from flammable materials. Never leave your miniature fire pit unattended. Keep a fire extinguisher or water nearby in case of emergencies. Always use the fire pit in a well-ventilated area. Allow the fire pit to cool completely before handling or storing it. Dispose of any leftover fuel properly. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy your miniature fire pit responsibly and safely. So, there you have it, your very own miniature fire pit ready to bring warmth and ambience to your backyard gatherings. It's a simple, affordable, and incredibly rewarding DIY project. Now it's your turn. Head to your local craft store, gather your supplies, and create your own unique miniature fire pit. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects and outdoor inspiration. Let's get crafting!